Hi there. Welcome to tourismbharat.com, your ultimate platform for sharing incredible travel stories with the world. We are thrilled to have you here and can't wait for you to start writing your travelogue. It's super easy to share your travel experiences with us, and I'll guide you through every step of the way. Step 1, entering your details. First, let's start with your basic details. In the Your Name section, type in your name. Then add your email address in the Your Email section. Finally, in the Post Title section, provide a captivating title for your travelogue. Think of a title that grabs attention and gives a hint of your adventure. Step 2, writing your travelogue. Now let's dive into the most exciting part, writing your travel story. In the large text box below, begin your travelogue. Break your story into paragraphs to make it engaging and easy for readers to follow. Use the formatting options to enhance your content. For example, use bold to highlight subheadings to organize your travelogue better. Use bulleted lists to use bullet points to emphasize key highlights or tips. Use numbered lists to create numbered lists to sequence events or recommendations. Use tables to add tables to neatly present data or itineraries. Step 3, adding multimedia. If you have an existing video on Instagram or YouTube related to your travelogue, you can embed it using the Add Link option. This enriches your travelogue and makes it more interactive for readers. To make your story visually appealing, don't forget to add images. Use the Upload an Image option to upload photos of your journey. You can add a good number of images, like 4 to 5 or maybe more, to support your travelogue. These images will help our editors format your content beautifully for publication. Step 4, submitting your travelogue. Once you're satisfied with your travelogue and have added all necessary details and images, click on the Submit Post button. Your travelogue will be sent directly to our editorial team. Our editors will review, proofread, and format your submission to ensure it meets our quality standards. After approval, your travelogue will be featured in the Travelogues section on tourismbharat.com. You will also be notified through an email once your travelogue is live along with its live link. Once you receive an email about your travelogue being live on Tourism Bharat, don't forget to share the travelogue link on your social media handles like Instagram, Facebook, X, and tag Tourism Bharat. Please note, due to the volume of submissions, it might take a few hours to a few days for your travelogue to go live. We appreciate your patience during this process. Important guidelines to keep in mind. Before submitting your travelogue, here are a few things to remember. This platform is for sharing genuine travel experiences. Please avoid promotional content. Do not include irrelevant links, except for your travel-related videos. Strictly avoid AI-generated content. We conduct thorough checks for AI and plagiarism to ensure authenticity. Only real experiences are accepted and published. By sharing your travelogue content, which also might include video link, imagery, or information, you confirm and agree to allow us to show your travelogue content on Tourism Bharat and its social media handles. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Now that you know how to write a travelogue, go ahead and start sharing your amazing travel stories with the world. If you need any help, feel free to watch this video again or share it with your fellow travelers to inspire them to write their travelogues too. Happy writing, happy traveling. See you in the Travelogue section soon.